Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to explore the ideal gas loss constant. So we're going to record the current air temperature with a thermometer, and we're going to put that information data 1. So right now, it looks like 24 Celsius, just current room temperature there. Now what we're going to do is fill 50 milliliter fill the 50 milliliter graduated cylinder completely with water. This is our 50 milliliter graduate cylinder. Get a little too much there. Okay, 50 milliliter, that's there. And then it says fill the 250 milliliter beaker completely full with water. So let's do that. That's done. Okay. It says attach the dropper top to one end of the clear tubing. So this is the dropper top. We're going to attach that there as such. And then we're going to insert the opposite end into the 50 milliliter graduate cylinder. So we're going to do this, and we're going to place our thumb there. And then what we're going to do is place our thumb over the opening of the 50 milliliter graduate cylinder and invert it into the beaker. So basically our thumb's there. Again, we may spill some water, and there we have it. So we did get a little water spill out. It cautioned us on that. And it says record the initial volume of gas in the graduated cylinder in data table 1. So right now there is no gas. It'd be fine for us to put 0. We're going to turn on the balance. Going to make sure this is in grams. We're going to tar this. Make sure it's 0. Good. It's at 0. Place a weighted bowl and balance, tar it. Good. So there. And now we're going to tar it. There we go. And then we want 0.1 grams. Good. That's about right. Next, we're going to pour the yeast into the empty 30 milliliter bottle. Good. Got that there. Set these things aside. And then we're going to measure 1 milliliter of hydrogen peroxide in the 10 milliliter graduate cylinder. So we get a little too much of that. Let's go ahead and use a pipette to get the exact amount here. It's a bit much. That's about right. We'll leave that pipette out as well. Now, we're going to combine the 1 milliliter of hydrogen peroxide with the yeast. Then we need to be ready to put this cap back on it pretty swiftly. So I'm actually going to hold it in my hand while I'm adding it to. And stick the top on that. And as you can see, there's bubbles here. Move this out of the way. So what we want to do is we want to give this about a minute. We'll go ahead and set a timer. Good. So we're almost to our minute, and then our activity will be complete. What we'll want to do is record the final volume in the gas data table 1, calculate the change in volume in milliliters, also record that in data table 1. Then we're going to remove the top of the bottle, pour the contents down the sink, rinse the bottle 3 times with water, and then repeat the activity using 1 milliliter hydrogen peroxide and 2 milliliters of H2O2. So I am going to do that, and then I will be right back so that we can do the third and fourth trial.